Hey guys, it's me Ayush, and today I'm going to be talking about top 5 Chrome extensions. The links to all of these are in the description. So without further ado, let's get into it. First on the list is Custom Cursor for Chrome. It basically skins your cursor while you're in Chrome. Let's see its uses, shall we? In Chrome, go to Extension tab. There, the Custom Cursor menu will be there. You can choose any of the custom cursors given there, such as the colors or even fun, sports, or even cartoons. The next extension on the list is Dark Reader. Have you ever had a website that you want dark mode but you don't have it? Well, using dark mode problem as easy as a snap. Let's see how dark mode can be used. Now, we are in a website, for example Google, which does not support dark mode. Go to Extension tab, click on the Dark Reader tab, and click on the On tab, and your website is turned into dark. You can also mess with the settings such as saturation, brightness, etc. etc. Now, if you have a website that is dark mode and you like it light, you can even do that here. The next one is a very simple and hidden one. Now, Google Translate has a website, but you can use the extension too. Let's see how. Now I'm on a French article here. I don't know French, but I want to read this one line. What do? I just highlight it and wait for the translate button to show up. Click that button and you'll get the translation right there. Next on the list is Mercury Reader. Now, what does Mercury Reader do? It simply cleans up the articles. So let's see how. Now, we're on a website, The Verge. Okay? Now, when we click on the Mercury Reader icon, it transforms the entire page into a readable like page with zero distractions and zero ads. Many cool things can be done here, such as changing the color, making it viewable in the Kindle, and many more. The last and final thing on the list is turn off the lights. The name says what it does. It turns off the lights. Let's see how. Now we are on a YouTube video. Okay? Now while we are watching the video, we just click on turn off the lights and other parts of the website get turned dim while the video shines bright. This is very nice if you don't use theater mode for YouTube or you find it annoying. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. All the links are in the description for all these extensions and I hope you love them. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of such content. So until then, bye.